Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this video reflects my personal experience with the tool. In this video, we're exploring TheraNest.com, a unique digital space designed to cultivate meaningful conversations and foster deeper connections. Unlike traditional social media platforms, the TheraNest prioritizes thoughtful dialogue and encourages users to engage with diverse perspectives in a respectful environment. The platform offers a variety of features designed to facilitate rich discussions, including curated topic threads, moderated forums, and opportunities for direct interaction with thought leaders and experts. It's a place where you can delve into complex issues, share your own insights, and learn from the experiences of others. One of the standout features of the TheraNest is its emphasis on creating a safe and inclusive community. The platform has clear guidelines and moderation policies in place to ensure that all interactions are respectful and constructive. This commitment to fostering a positive online environment makes the TheraNest a refreshing alternative to the often toxic and divisive nature of many other social media platforms. It's a space where you can feel comfortable sharing your thoughts and opinions without fear of harassment or judgment. The TheraNest also provides a platform for individuals and organizations to host virtual events, workshops, and conferences. This functionality allows for a wider reach and greater accessibility, connecting people from across the globe who share common interests. The platform's intuitive interface and user-friendly design make it easy to navigate and participate in these online gatherings. Whether you're looking to attend a webinar, join a discussion group, or connect with like-minded individuals, the TheraNest offers a dynamic and engaging online experience. It's a valuable resource for anyone seeking intellectual stimulation and meaningful connection in the digital age. They aim to create a digital campfire where ideas are exchanged, perspectives are broadened, and genuine connections are forged. The TheraNest is more than just a social media platform, it's a community dedicated to fostering intellectual curiosity and promoting civil discourse.